Welcome back to another episode, fam. Welcome back to the KameGarage. Today we're gonna do another install on the G35. It's a big day. We have our carbon fiber hood down there. It's a VIS Racing Sport carbon fiber hood. Is the vented one, you know, the one that everybody has. Is the best looking one for the G35, honestly. It should be a quick little install. It should be 2 little nuts, bolts in each side of the hood. I believe they're like 12 or 15 millimeters. So it shouldn't take that long. We're gonna go ahead and uninstall the OEM hood and pop the new carbon fiber hood. I got my boy Alan over here helping me out with the install. So let's get to it. So here are the 2 nuts we have to undo just to take off the OEM hood. There's 2 right here and 2 over there, and this should come off. Pretty much that's the whole uninstall and install right there. So let's go. All right guys, so it should be a 12 millimeter for the bolts. Yeah, you gotta push it to the left. Yeah. Something to grab that. Hold on. I got you. Oh, you gotta lean it down. Here's a quick look of the engine bay before we put the carbon fiber hood out. Honestly, taking out the OEM one was really easy. Can't wait to see how it looks. Definitely have to redo the grille. So now we're gonna unbox the actual hood. It's gonna be the first time I'm looking at it completely in person. I had it here for a few months, just laying down, so gonna be excited. My boy's first time looking at a hood as well. So I actually got this hood from another G35 owner. He was really cool about it. It was brand new. He actually bought it. It took him about 6-7 months to get it and never installed it, never even opened the box. You know, he sold it to me. He was a really cool guy. But yeah, shout out to my boy. As you guys can see, look brand new how the packaging comes. They actually have new bolts, new hardware for the hood, which is awesome. Time for the reveal. Damn. Let's put it up in the sunlight real quickly. Yeah, that thing looks insane. Yo, I come one-handed. Yeah. Let's put it on the sun. Let's see how it looks. We don't want to scratch it. Sheesh. Brand new from VIS themselves. The boy never opened it, never actually saw it in person, so shout outs to you, my boy. Hope you get to see it now. Gonna look nice. Let's go ahead and pop into the G. Hello, people. So the ones that come with the hood, they're not 12 like the OEM ones. They're actually 14s. Yeah. The coolest thing about this VIS Racing carbon fiber hood is that it actually comes with the rain guards. I know the FY1 Motorsports or something like that, it doesn't come with the rain guards. So, you know, we can actually drive this through the rain, snow, everything. It's so light. It is, it's ridiculous. It kind of scares me how light it is. So that's one down, put that one into the place. Alright. Yeah, it's fitting right here. So. Right. the car wash. For real. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, this goes so hard. God. Alright, so the fitment looks pretty good. It looks amazing, honestly. I'm so hyped. This completely changed the look of the G35. It looks like a brand new car. It went from 07 to a 2023. Now we just have to tighten up the nuts and it should be good. The fitment's pretty spot on. VIS Racing, what can you expect, right? That's why it's like $1,400. So we finally finished. The carbon fiber hood is on the G35. It looks so nasty. Oh my god, it looks freaking amazing. Here's a little cinematic view of the G35 with the new VIS carbon fiber hood.
Dip, slide, when I wanna dive, hit it to the rhythm all day and night. Blazing the vibe, ain't no wasting the time. Gotta shoot my shot till I get what I like. Shawty really wanna fuck and I'm on one. Little homie looking bad, never got none. When I pop some, girl go pop off. When we count them beats, who can't go wrong?
I just wait a while, wait a while, wait a while. I just wait a while, wait a while.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of the carbon fiber hood. I think it looks amazing. What you guys think? There's better options. I know there's a couple different styles. Make sure to stay tuned and find out what happens to the G35 in the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace out.